This video is sponsored by Spider Farmer. Visit Spider Farmer for your cultivation needs. What's poppin', Gromies? It's your boy Primo checking in. Giving y'all an update on what's poppin'. Like we got a mail call from Spider Farmer. Sent us out a DWC hydro system with a GGS Smart Grow Genius system, AC5 kit. So this thing's supposed to be able to, it's like having a controller on a power strip. It's pretty cool, man. And should be able to work all your equipment off of the app, the Spider Farmer app. So that's pretty cool. And we got a 3x2 grow tent. We'll go ahead and get this set up, man, and see what we working with. As previously stated, this is a 2x3 grow tent from Spider Farmer. I did purchase this with my own money just to have a place to set the buckets up in. I'm not going to take you through the whole setup process because I'm sure everyone already knows how to set up a grow tent. I'm just popping it open, checking, make sure everything is in the box, and to see if they included anything cool with the box. So let's check it out. Got the canvas here, and they did send us out some stickers, which is my favorite part. They have a little vinyl bag that you can keep your rods and your poles and stuff in. So I thought that was pretty nifty. Just to keep everything, just in case you gotta take it down, you keep everything in one secure location, put it up. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Shout out to Spider Farm. Like I said, I'm not going to take you through the whole setup, just making sure everything is everything, and move on to the next step. Alright, so next we're going to move over to the GGS AC5 power strip system. This thing is badass, man. You can control all of your devices through the app. Connect devices via Ethernet cable or the little, the phone cable cord. And right now we're just getting the sensors out. I believe this one is for the light and the fan. Can't really see it. I do apologize. Camera's a little shitty. Now we'll move on to the DWC buckets themselves. We got the air bubbler, which is a nice size, comes with 4 ports, and we got the buckets here. Already got the Spider Farmer sticker slapped on there, which I love. We got the tubing and the drippers that we need for the system to operate properly. Also have the hydrogen. Now you definitely want to rinse this off before putting it in the system, because you don't want little clay particles in your water. It won't help you grow, trust me. Nice and clean, baby. And the hydrogen's clean. I did install the water regulators on both buckets. I didn't get any footage of it. I do apologize, but it's really simple. You just plug it into the bottom and you're good to go. On this next portion, what we're going to do is cut the hoses to size for the bubbler system and the air stones, and we'll go ahead and cut the holes in the net pots to get everything installed properly. And the size of your hose may differ from setup to setup. Just make sure you have enough slack to run your lines properly and don't get them all kinked up. So I had to learn that the hard way. What I love about this drip irrigation system is that it has push lock mechanism on there. So once you actually get the hose in and you try to pull it out, it doesn't slip out. It stays in there really securely. And to get it out, all you just do is just push down on it, and it'll come straight out. Now on here, what we're gonna do is just cut. It basically gives you an outline for the holes that you want to cut. So you just go ahead and cut them out and ready to go. So if you're watching, I actually did this incorrectly. You're supposed to put the net pot in on top of the lid first and then run your line that way. But I eventually figured it out, but just to save you guys some time. And what I'm doing here is just measuring both lines just to make sure they are equal size. So one side's not yanking on the other because it's not long enough, just to make everything square. I'm just putting the actual lids on the cover here, and I'm just gonna do this for the one bucket, but this process will be followed on the other bucket as well. I just don't want to take you guys through all that. So now I'm going to take you back to my previous grow. Mentioned last video that I cut clones off of the Grape X inside of the Vivo Sun, and I did a little defoliation. So the clones that I currently took off of these ladies, I have in my bubble cloner that I created, and that's what we're going to use to run in the DWC buckets from Spider Farmer. So yeah, that's what we'll be running, and we're gonna go ahead and defoliate while we're doing this. So I'll take you through a little speed run real quick. Here are the ladies. A little worse for wear, but they'll bounce back. Let's get you over to the cloning chamber. Alright, so these are the clones. All the clones that we got. My Spider Farmer set up. Spider Farmer corner, if you will. And let's just check them out and see what's going on. Let's see if we got any roots. Popping off. Oh, that one got a little something going on. Got a little something going on. We'll keep that one in here a little while longer. Oh, this one's ready to go though. This one's ready to go. Right into the fucking system, baby. Oh man, this one too. Okay. Got some healthy clones this round, boy. Oh shit, yeah, bro. They all okay. So they all might pop some roots, man. It's good to know. It's good to know. Let's see, this one doing anything? Okay, so this one is not doing anything. Almost not. And neither is this one. Okay, so out of the, what is it, 6? 3. Out of the 6, we got 4, I believe. So 1, 2, 3. Nope. 3. We got 4 clones of roots. So we'll go ahead and get these into the buckets, y'all. Just as a quick side note, I am utilizing this calendar now. I've had it for like 4 months, but I'm just now starting to use it. So as you can see, yesterday I flipped the Vivo Sun over to 1212. It's a bucket system, and the Mars Hydro tent has been vegging for 2 months so far. So do plan on flipping those to flower on Friday. Flip Mars Hydro to 1212, and then I'll figure out what my feed schedule will be for both of these flower tents, as well as the veg schedule for the spider farmer. So just wanted to make that little side note real quick. Trying to get a little bit more organized here in 2025. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pH this water, put our nutrients in, and get it all squared away for these clones. I'm using Vivo Sun A and B, and I'm also using CalMag from Botanicare, and a little bit of silica monosilicic acid. We're gonna go ahead and mix this solution for these buckets, and I'll get back with you.
Buckets of rain, bitch, I'm rooted in the deep. Still I rise, what I sow I keep. Buckets of pain, but these seeds don't sleep. In the water, what I learn I teach. Buckets of rain, bitch, I'm rooted in the deep. Turn pain into lessons and the lessons into seed. From a crack in concrete where they said I couldn't be. Now the roots run wild, all because I had belief. I remember growing up, blocks of government cheese. Now we buy the blocks back, all because I split beans. Section 8 walls, couldn't cage what I seen. Black buckets in the dark, turn pain into green. I wrote a book on it. Pages heavy with the truth, been chasing bestseller, proof of what the roots can do. Hood child with a vision, built a garden in the booth. Every bucket overflow, every harvest is the proof. Pain was a teacher, but the water made it grow. Knowledge in the bucket, now I let my people know. Took the struggle, made a brand, every seed is in the flow. And I'm still evolving, can you predict where I'ma go? From the storm to the stage, every drop was in the plan. Every loss was an ingredient, it fed what I began. Buckets of rain, I became my own man, and the roots are still digging, all where the future stands. Buckets of rain, bitch, I'm rooted in the deep. Still I rise, what I sow I keep. Buckets of pain, but these seeds don't sleep. In the water, what I learn I teach. Yeah, buckets of rain still pour, but I welcome the flood. Seen the envy in their eyes when I rose from the mud.
It's officially day 1 of the cloning stage for these ladies, and we'll follow along and see what this hydro bucket system is all about. So shout out to Spider Farmer, and like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Where the nights taught you patience and the hunger was strong. I became what I needed just by proving them wrong.